Hello, can you hear me? Can you all hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Okay, you can hear me then.
Yes, I can.
So we are on the 4th of December, we're on a Thursday. So what we'll actually be doing is I'll be showing you three different applications. That is, one is what you're seeing right now on the screen is called as the FuturesTree application, which works on Microsoft Excel 2007. And the other is the charting software what we have. Here we can trade on both intraday and positional, and you can trade on all these segments where we get the data, that is equity, F&O, commodity, agri and currency also. So you can trade in all these five segments, both NSE and MCX. So this is our opening of the chart today. So 9:10, this is a dollar chart. So simultaneously we'll be opening the chart for other stock futures at around 9:15, after 9:15. And other than this, we have another application called as the PriceCatch, which will actually help you in placing your trades faster and booking your profits, and various other things are there. Various other features and options are there, which I'll be telling you. So here, in case if you have ODINDAT, Nest, Now, AngelDAT or MetaTrader, you can connect this PriceCatch to your trading terminal, and when you can place your calls here, and whenever it is triggered, it will directly place your order in your terminal. So that is one advantage what we have. So let's just check. It will be a small gap up, though there is not much of news. So not much of turnover in the derivative segment. It's only 1,38,000 crores. That was yesterday's. Let's just check maybe today or tomorrow. Yeah, I'm telling you the same thing. In case if you have Nest Now, ODINDAT, AngelDAT or MetaTrader, you can connect this PriceCatch to your terminal. And if you have your own strategy, you define your own strategy and you can make it auto, so that it will automatically place the prices. So what we are doing is right now we are not using it completely, but in future what we'll be having is we'll be having a Robo for the FuturesTree and TradingTree also. As soon as calls are triggered, either a buy or a sell call, it will directly place the order into your terminal. That is in the future what we are planning to do. But right now what we have is the FuturesTree and the TradingTree, where you can trade better, and you can definitely make some profits every day. And whatever losses, or losses in the sense I call it as stop loss. So your stop losses will be negligible to what the profits you earn. So that is how the system is designed. And irrespective of any kind of market, let the market be an 100 points gap up or a 100 points gap down, or a narrow flat market where Nifty is moving in a range of 20 or 30 points, then also we'll be able to make profits. Now I'll not be squaring off some positions. I'll just leave the positions open. I'll enter the trades. I'll leave the positions open, so you can just check what is that you can actually earn with this particular applications what we have. And this is for purely intraday traders. This is not for people who just want to have an idea of how the stock market works, or people usually they might be not full-time traders and they might be doing something else during their regular day. And once the point is, once the Nifty moves around 100 points in one day, the next day you come back, you just come back and then you just try to watch the market. It won't help people like that. It is for people who are real intraday traders who can trade full-time or part-time also, but I would say it every day. A person who looks at the market every day at a certain point of time and devotes some time. It will be useful only for them. That is one thing. And just a minute. So, okay, I was just telling you about, let me just come back here. Okay, I was just telling you about the requirements. So the first requirement, obviously, it will be your time and it will be your money. So what is that investment that what is that you have at present, and what is that you want to earn every day? That will directly depend on your investment and your returns that is expected. So if you have roughly around 2 lakh rupees, I would say it's an ideal account to start off an intraday trading. Earn something like 5 to 10% every day and trade daily, regularly. That would be a decent income. So Nifty is around 40 points up. So 40 plus points up. Now what we'll be actually doing is, we have certain buttons here, the login, enter date, save, historical data, current day data, and auto refresh. See, login is nothing but I have my own login ID, so I log in. Or when you are subscribing with for FuturesTree, we give you a login ID. You can log in through that. And the enter date is nothing but we enter the previous day trading day date. We have a format for that. You can see that it's something like date, month, and the year. And save is nothing but you save the prices in case if you want to get it back after some time. If your system shuts down or something like that, you can retrieve back your prices what you had got in the morning. Historical is nothing but we take previous trading days data, and then we do the calculations. That is nothing but the historical data, and the current day data is nothing but the present data, that is the data that is coming in from NSE. And we have an auto refresh on button, which actually once we click it, the whole sheet refreshes every 3 to 4 seconds. So at 9:15, I have already taken the historical data. At 9:15, what I will be doing is I will be just clicking on the current day data button. And after clicking on the current day data button, I will be getting the prices on the both buy side and the sell side for the scripts, including their stop loss and the profit percentages. This percentages in the Nifty, what you are seeing, 0, 1.5, 3.2, these are the percentage of profits that you will make in case Nifty goes and reaches that target. So your entry levels are defined here. Your target 1, target 2, intermediate target is nothing but a safe target where you can exit with around 5% profit on your investment. Likewise, we have 30 scripts. So you can trade on all these 30 scripts at a single time. And you can change the name of the scripts also. Sorry, I didn't do it. RANBAXY, Axis, NMDC, ONGC, ICICIBANK. So I'll just add few scripts. So in case of Tech Mahindra, I would like to have, here I will have so I'm adding ADANIENT. So that is your bell from the price catch, which tells you that the market has opened. So now what I will do is, I'll just click on the current day data. So Nifty is gap up, so we'll just ignore. Usually we don't trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We have it as an indicator there. And you might see that we have got the data for the TradingTree charts also. So HDFC Bank we have a sell call, Infosys we have a buy call. And you can see that in the left bottom corner there is an icon rotating which tells you that the data is being updated. Now it is done, so I'll put it on auto refresh on. And I can put it on full screen also. So I have a buy call in L&T, Maruti and all. So let me start placing the orders. So this might be a bit difficult. I'll place the orders slowly just for REL Infra, yes, REL Infra. So this is one tab which I use for placing the market orders, that is orders directly at the current market price. So I haven't got the data still. So let me just explain you. So whenever you get this green color in REL Infra at 610, that is the entry. So what you do is you'll buy one lot of REL Infra in futures at the current market price, at whatever price it is existing. And you can see that for some scripts, you have a sell call in HDFC, you have a sell in Sun Pharma, you have buy in REL Infra, L&T and JP Associates, that is including Reliance. So these are some of the calls that we have right now. So let me just check the prices. Okay. Now I'll get the prices. So I didn't check that. You should actually have this QTX on, then only we'll get the data fit. So if it doesn't matter, Yes Bank I have a sell call, so I will short Yes Bank.
Strategy alert.
Sorry, I think it was, I didn't check it properly. Maybe I'll just remove that trade. So you can square off the trade. Yes Bank actually I haven't got the data here still. You can see that X symbol here, which means that the data is not ready for that particular script. So what we will be doing is we'll be again taking the current day data at 9:20. We'll click on the current day data button at 9:20 and then we will put it on auto refresh. We'll get the prices for Yes Bank, ONGC, CIPLA. Yeah, these three scripts. So you have this option where you can place orders directly in at the current market prices.
Strategy alert. Strategy alert.
So ITC, you can just see that it has moved, has done a good move. TCS is a sell call. Actually, I wanted to place call in TCS.
Strategy alert.
So you can just see what are the trades that are active here. So it's 9:20 now. So what I'll do is I'll shut off the auto refresh on. I'll just take the current day data. Now you can just see that the prices for SBank and CIPLA and other scripts are also ready. So to know when you'll be ready to put on the auto refresh button, you should look at the left bottom corner, the icon. So once it stops, then you can actually start placing the orders. But anyway, I'll just place the orders in HDFC and SBank.
Strategy alert. Strategy alert.
So that is done. I'll just put it on auto refresh on, and then I'll just on the full screen mode. So Wipro, I have a sell call. So just let it come back, then we'll take that call. So Wipro, we have a sell.
Strategy alert.
So after you take a call, you should just keep watching the stop loss also. This is your stop loss for every script. So in case if a script reverses and hits the stop loss, then you should exit. So meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll just open the TradingTree charts. It will become easy for us to trade better with both the applications on. No, it doesn't get entered. That's the reason why I'm telling you we have not done that Robo. But in future, it will take the target and stop loss also. And the target will always be your choice, because we will not be able to define the targets for different individuals. So whenever you feel that you have made enough profits, you square it off yourself. That is one of the best way you can book profits. Or just keep trailing your stop losses so that you make maximum profits. So RANBAXY, we have a buy call. So let's take a chance on that, because Sun Pharma we had a sell call.
Strategy alert.
Now I'll take an buy call in Sun Pharma. I haven't added it here. Okay. So I've not added here. So anyway, you could have taken it Sun Pharma buy call, but finally RANBAXY, yes, it's got activated. So L&T, I think L&T has hit the stop loss, so I'll just square it off. So Tata Motors, we have a sell call.
Strategy alert.
There is a sell call in ICICIBANK A1.
So that is how you get the calls. So now there is a split in ICICI. Infosys. So that's a huge gap up open for ITC. So I'll be placing the orders both on both from the TradingTree and the FuturesTree. So you can actually see how both work together. Tata Motors have already placed an sell order in FuturesTree. So you can see that we get a sell call here in TradingTree also.
There is a buy call on ICICIBANK.
There I've opened all the charts. So you can just see what should be our profits like. Okay, we have a sell in LNT and I have squared off that position. RANBAXY, yes, it gave a buy call, we didn't exit that. So Axis and SBI or sell calls. Let me just take it.
Strategy alert.
You should actually be able to take at the entry price. I mean, so since
Strategy alert.
I'm just giving you a webinar. I'm just ignoring all these things and I'm just trying to place the calls. But otherwise, AXISBANK, SBI, all these calls you could have taken it at the entry levels itself. Hero MotoCorp, we have a sell call. Let's take even that.
Strategy alert.
RANBAXY, I think we'll just check the chart. So it will let us know whether to exit or. So it's better we exit this. Okay, I think we can wait on this. We have a sell call at Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let me just remove these long positions for now. Excuse me. So LNT, let's short it, or let's just check the chart and then do it. So LNT, we can short it. So since we are lost in that, we'll try to recover.